friends, this is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead, and I saw a recipe on Facebook that I just have to try. We're making bacon bombs. Now, they were called onion bombs on Facebook, but I like bacon bombs better because this plate of bacon looks like it exploded. Haha. So, you're going to need some sliced bacon. Papa sliced mine, well, not that one, as thin as possible. You're going to need a pound of the ground meat of your choice. This is venison. This is our home hunted venison. And this is our home raised bacon. I've got 3 slices of whole wheat bread that I just put through the food processor for breadcrumbs. I probably won't use it all. You're going to need 2 eggs and some nice round onions, about medium size. You're going to need ketchup and the seasonings of your choice, salt, pepper, and garlic, or mine. Let's get started. Oh, you're also going to need some skewers and a broiler pan. Okay, so first things first, we got to prepare our onion skins. You can see the center of the onion. There's a white dot, there's a round dot there. And you just want to take your knife and go into the center through that hole, just like that. We'll take off the nasty parts. And now I'm just going to peel off some of these outer layers, just like that. Okay, there we've got 4. I need 2 more. And whatever onion you don't use, you can either put in your meatloaf or put in a little tub in the fridge, because some onion is something I use almost every single day. And we know Papa's going to want, wait a second here.
Copious amounts.
Yes, Papa's going to want copious amounts of bacon bombs. So I'm going to make a few. Be careful, folks, because the onions can break. But even if it's got a split in it, you should be okay. Okay. Now, let's make our meatloaf. Breadcrumbs. Eggs. Okay, so I just threw our leftover onion into the food processor. Little bit of ketchup, always. A little bit of garlic, salt, and of course, pepper for Papa. Here comes the fun part, because honestly, folks, when you're mixing ground meat, nothing works as well as your hands, and I think I'm going to need a little bit more breadcrumb in there. Now we have our oven set at 375 degrees. Now I'm going to take my meatball mixture and I'm going to start stuffing my onions. Go with the size of your onion, folks, your onion skin. Be careful. They're brittle. They break easy. Why do they break easy? Because they're raw. So just open it a little bit, put it in your hand like this, and just stuff it with the meat mixture. Okay, now we're going to take, this would be easier, I have to say, with store-bought bacon, folks, but guess what? We don't do store-bought bacon. So now we're going to, let's get you in a little bit closer. We are going to take our stuffed onion, and with the split side showing, wrap the split side with the bacon first. We're going to wrap it all up so that I've used 2 pieces of bacon, and I want to make sure, because of the length of the bacon, that my skewer goes through. You just want the skewer to hold it together. It's not like it has to be perfectly centered. You just want it to hold the bacon in place. Now my bacon isn't very wide, but it is thick, and I'm not going to completely cover the onion. Why? Because these would be way too big. And again, I'm just going to put it through where I had it come through. Okay, now my bacon, I said, is a little bit thicker, but they all come out looking the same size because I use the thicker bacon on the smaller onions. And we are now going to pop I put these on a broiler pan to drain away the fat. And we're going to put these in a 375-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes. And here they are. Now, you can cover them with barbecue sauce or whatever you want, folks, but I just roasted these in the oven. And like I said, my bacon's a little thick and a little awkward, Pete, but it did really, really well. Let's get Papa to the table. Ooh. I cut that one open so I could take a picture of it and show how good it looks inside. Sit down, dear. These are bacon bombs. Now, I didn't use barbecue sauce or anything like that because I just kept it simple. But you may want some ketchup or something. I don't know.
Very nice.
Well, I know you love your onion. Oops.
Really nice.
Just nice. It's not awesome.
That's awesome.
Only took you 3 bites to give the thumbs up. I think that's because you're concentrating on eating it. This is the Miss Volfie from our half-acre homestead with recipe number 1 in Bacon Week. Bacon bombs. Take care. God bless.